So it's dry, so I'm trying to get it off now. I'm trying to be careful so that the whole catastrophe of the hot glue stencils doesn't happen again. So just peeling it off very, very carefully. Or at least I think it's carefully. So it's pretty tricky right now. I'm really scared of ripping it. Oh crap. If you need to, just use the knife. The butter knife. So just get it off. Do this. Most of it is off, except for this tiny piece, which is a very stubborn piece. So this is my beautiful necklace. It's just super pretty. I don't know if you like it, but I know I do. So I'm just going to wear it and I'll show you a little. So this is how it looks on me. I hope you liked this craft. I really hope you can get to it. Thank you for watching. Crafter out.